So far we have tried starting her as she sits. She just cranks and cranks. Okay. Tail switch on to run. The parking brake there, cable is gone on there. Neutral, keys on. Let's try her. But we know already that there's no spark. Well, I already pulled the spark plug because I wasn't getting her to start just by cranking it. So I pulled the spark plug, and ground her on the head here. She can ground her on the head there, and I'll see if I can capture this while I crank. She can't. Okay. So, could be wiring, could be spark plugs, could be spark plug coil. So that's where we at. Just had to give that update there. All right. There's a lot of extra wiring being done here. Like, they have a few switches here. I'm not sure what they're for yet. I'll have to find out what these switches do. Hopefully they're just for the lights. They have a aftermarket LED light here system right there. Winch, I know it's probably not for the winch, but anywho, so kill switch could be a problem. CDI box, we don't want to, that's kind of a last resort, because those boxes are not cheap, especially Yamaha. So we'll start with the easiest fix, easiest repair, and that's like spark plug, and check all the wiring connections, and hopefully we can get spark. Okay, all right.